asban nga.
Now, in your flames, when you suffer flames, di ba mo sound?
Masarap eh.
Sound. So, you are asthmatic. Asthma is caused by a flame and you have smaller bronchial tube. That is why the bronchial tube is hereditary. So, many believe that asthma is hereditary, but what is hereditary is the small bronchial tube. So, if you have flame plus bronchial tube, small, you will be asthmatic.
Na ang hubak ron, gamay raman sa bronchial tube, di siya kaginawa basta masampungan. Busa, kanang hubak, maayo ka. So, usa may makapahubak, makapaplima, hinidining misalignment. Sakit, misis. Sakit. Na, sakit. Lord Jesus Christ, magdanga Lord, kanang tulog kami sa alignment. Kaya, sisuli niyo. Kana, misis, sakit pa? Sakit. Kana. Sakit. Kana. 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 Kana.